What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time that I make a video, you guys see it. I keep forgetting to say that in every video, so I gotta remember to say it. So today is Friday. It is a late start. It is 10:51 a.m. Okay, it's been slow, but that is okay. So I did accept an Instacart batch. It's for $31. It'll be here. And it's for 3 customers. I really don't like 3 customers, but listen, I gotta get what I can get. The goal today is $200. So I don't want to be out here all night today, so I just have to get what I can get. So I am going to schedule myself to get on DoorDash after this order. So let's go. Let's do this order, guys. So this is customer C, this is customer A, and then this is customer B. And under there. So now I'm just waiting on a lunch meat. I couldn't put an order in early because the line was too long, so I had to come back. So it'll literally take 2 seconds. And now I'm headed to checkout. Alright guys, so it only took me about 30 minutes to shop that order. It took me about 10 minutes to do the checkout, because the lady that was my cashier talked too much, like for real. Like her and some other old lady started talking and in the middle of her scanning my orders, and I'm like moving around them trying to bag my items and everything like that. Don't nobody got time for conversation right now, y'all. It's Friday. I gotta make this money and I'm off to a late start. Alright guys, I got another order. As soon as I dropped off that Instacart batch to the last customer, it was for $7.75, 4 miles. It was at a McDonald's. The order was ready already, so now I'm headed to dropping it off to the customer. I just got another order. It's for $12.25. Alright guys, so I just accepted another order. It's from the Chicken Shack. It's for 2 miles, $6.25. Alright guys, so I just accepted an order on Instacart. The only reason why I accepted, because the store was literally not like a half a mile away from my last DoorDash order that I just dropped off. So sorry if it's bumpy. I'm like going over train tracks and all types of crazy stuff right now. But yeah, the store is literally right here. It's only $19. It's 24 items. It's only 1 customer, but I know the store, so it's not gonna take me that long. So I'm just gonna accept it only because I'm right here. If I wasn't right here, I wouldn't have accepted it. It's kind of low, but gotta make this money. So let's go. Alright guys, so after I dropped off the groceries, I got another order on DoorDash. I believe it was for $8. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't remember if I took 2 orders or not. Like, my mind is everywhere. I was just on the phone, but I just accepted another order. It's a double order. It's for Chipotle and Red Robin. It's for $12. It's only going 4 miles, and Chipotle is right next to Red Robin. And I'm up in the parking lot right now, so I'm about to go get the customer's food and drop it off. Alright y'all, so it's currently 4:30. I gotta go get my daughter, need gas, take a quick break, and then I'm gonna come back out. Right now my total is 108, so I still gotta make like $92, but I'm gonna make my $92, best believe that. Like, I'm definitely gonna make it. So the goal is to be back out here at 6 o'clock.
My pee-pee hole.
Yeah, hurry up and pick up your baby. Mommy gotta work.
My baby hurt.
Oh, yeah, baby hurt? Okay. But you gotta hurry up because mommy gotta go to work. Destiny, pick it up.
My baby wanna
Destiny.
go bye-bye.
I know, but come on, pick it up. Mommy gotta go to work.
My baby wanna go to walk with you.
Alright guys, so I am back out. It is 6:04. I got back out here around like 5:45-ish. Picked my daughter up, got some gas, and then I accepted a order from Doordash. It was for $8.25. I literally just dropped it off to the customer, and now we're gonna see what else we get. So let's go. Alright, so y'all know how I feel about waiting. So I wasn't getting an order on DoorDash quick enough, so I accepted Instacart orders for $15, only going 3 miles. I'm gonna hurry up and bang this out. Y'all, that was terrible. I got lost in everything. Like, why? Why? Let me tell y'all something. I ain't want to talk too loud in there. So it was a senior citizen building, right? I don't have no problem with the seniors and everything like that. But why? Was her apartment so confused? Like, I found the building okay, but her apartment number, I guess I can't put it out there for confidentiality purposes, but let's just say her apartment number was like deep into the building. I had to go inside the building. I had to walk. Good thing she didn't have a lot of groceries. I had to walk all the way to her place or whatever, and then I get lost on the way back. That was just too much, y'all. That was just too much. I think I looked at the order. It only went down $1, so it was only $14. But yeah, no, I'm sorry, but that place has to be on my do not drop off list for DoorDash and Instacart. Like, that's it. All right, guys, so I just accepted an order on DoorDash. It's for $12. I believe 25 cents is going 6 miles. I am literally maybe 2 minutes away from the store, so I'm gonna go pick up the order, drop it off to the customer. So let's go. Okay, so that last order was actually higher, so it went up to $14.50. All right, guys, so I literally didn't get a chance to put the last order that I did on film, but it was for $6.50 and it was only going 3 miles. Now I just accepted a double order for $11, so it's below my minimum, but it was literally only going 1 mile for 2 customers. I guess they live right next door to each other, and the stores is literally right there, so I accepted it. So after I dropped these 2 orders off, I only need to make $17 more, and then I will hit my goal of 200. It's currently 9:16, so I'm gonna be real with y'all. I just need to make this $17 before 10 o'clock, and I'll be happy. All right, so let me hurry up, drop these orders off, and then make my last $17 so I can go in the house. So let me let y'all know what's going on. So I literally just did my last order. I think this order was either for $8 or $7.25. All I know is the minimum is $7.25 because that's how much I need to make for 200. But anyway, I haven't really been recording videos because I'm dark skinned and it's dark outside and you're not gonna be able to see me. I already tried it. It looks stupid. Okay, so I'm not even doing it. But before I drop this order off, let me tell you, one of the customers that I dropped off one of these orders to, he was one of 2 customers. Tell me why he called me, because I'm dropping off to the first customer. He gonna call me and say, hey, yo, you got my burger. I'm like, wait, what? Who is this? Like, who are you talking to? Who you calling yo? Like, we ain't doing that. He like, yo, you got my burger. You went down the wrong street. So I'm like, no, I ain't go down the wrong street. There's a customer before you, and maybe there's something going on with the DoorDash app because you're not even supposed to see where I am right now when I'm in process of, delivering to another customer. So he was like, oh, why? Like, what? That was the first thing that pissed me off. Then the second thing was earlier, I was delivering to, I guess, these teenagers or whatever. They was at the job court, and they must have a curfew. They do have a curfew because the security guy told me, like, oh, you can't deliver to them. And I'm like, why not? Like,
They got a curfew. Matter of fact, I can't stop you from making your money, but they gonna get in trouble. And I'm like, well, that's on them. I ain't got nothing to do with that. You know what I mean? But the kids was rushing me like, yo, how long it's gonna be? You on your way? And I'm just like, excuse me, sir. Like, I'm waiting on your food. Like, you cannot rush me. I'm not speeding to you. Like, I'm not doing that. These people crazy. Yo, these people crazy. They're crazy. And I am ready for this day to be over with because it is 10:12. I'm on my 200. Literally, this customer is right around the corner from my house, so I'm happy. So I'm going to drop it off. I'm going to leave the amounts in the screen so that way y'all can see it. I hope everybody has a great day and a great night. I really hope tomorrow is better and these customers get their ish together, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.